Today you're going to learn how to download and install the faithful texture pack to the latest version of Minecraft. Okay, so it's very easy to do and it only takes a couple of seconds. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and load up your web browser. You want to click on the link in the description and it's going to take you to the official website of the faithful texture pack. Now what you want to do is click on download latest, or if you do want to select a previous version or a snapshot version, you can do that right here. But we're going to be downloading the latest, which in this case is 1.3.2, but of course this will count for future versions. So what I want to do here is download this to wherever you want, so I'm going to put it on my desktop and click save. It'll only take a couple of seconds to download depending on your internet speed, so just wait for it to complete. So once that's completed, we then want to go ahead and load up our Minecraft, and as you can see I'm on the default version of the texture pack. What you want to do is then click on the options menu, click on the resource packs, and then want to click on the open resource pack folder. And then this will open up the folder of course, and this is going to guarantee that you're going to be putting the resource pack in the correct place. So now we're going to drag and drop the download into the folder location. You can then go ahead and close the location, click done, and then click back on the resource packs. Now you see that's going to reappear here, so you're going to click on the arrow, making sure that it's on the top row. You can change it with these arrows here, and once it's at the top we're just going to click done and just give Minecraft a couple of moments to load, and it's going to load up in the brand new HD resolution texture pack. So as you can see, everything's changed to the new texture pack, and the faithful is really good because it's the same textures as the original Minecraft but in HD. And that is all you need to do to download and install the faithful texture pack in Minecraft. This will work for any texture pack in the future, and it's exactly the same process. Now if you are thinking about recording or streaming Minecraft, I recommend getting the free software called Streamlabs OBS. The link will be in the description, and I'm using it right now to record my desktop and these games. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you do have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching and have a good day.